हेलो, आई एम किरण केजिया फ्रॉम केके इवेंट्स। मेरा 3 दिन का एग्जीबिशन है 12, 13 एंड 14 एट अपुटो गया है। स्पेशल वेडिंग कलेक्शन और भी स्पेशल यूनिक ज्वेलरी एंड मैनी मोर थिंग्स। So please do visit on 12, 13 and 14 to grab the special discounts. Thank you so much.
And 9 to 5 silver jewelry options are available here for gifting for yourself. If you need something in rings or something in kada, we have got the beautiful options. These are some beautiful necklaces if you need. And now moving to the clothing section where you will find some beautiful kurta sets, 3-piece sets. Yes. Something in sharara. Yes. Beautiful shades. Something with heavy work. And then again we have a jewelry section with us where you will find some heavy necklaces. You need this wedding season. Look at this kada bangles. These are some anti-tarnish earrings. And these are all beautiful rings. Something in micro malas if you need. And then we have Lucknowi collection. If you need something in Lucknowi, we have got solids, we have got printed. If you need something in bottom wear, प्लाजो, डबल लेयर प्लाजो और अ पैर, तो उसके भी ऑप्शंस आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे. वी हैव गॉट डिस्काउंट्स एज वेल ऑन लखनवी, फ्लैट 200 on any piece and flat 300 off on some selected piece. This. So these are the beautiful shades available in Lucknowi. So we have got some cotton casuals if you need, along with Gadi silk patch. And these are some cord set. If you need some Angrakha style 2-piece, 3-piece sets available with us. We have got something in prints if you need, something in solid, something in khadi as well, and something like this with mirror work and ombre, ghaji, top and bottom. Then we do have beautiful section of this exhibition, and that is James, Tutti Frutti, seeds, some roasted chana options. We have got amla, imlis and variety of mukwas if you need. You can see the wide range of mukwas is available here of almost every type, and you will get it packed like this. So these are all pure cotton kalamkari kurtis. You can see that different color options are available with different designs. We have got multiple color options and designs available here. You can see something in solid, something in black if you need. We have got something with mirror work as well if you need, and we have got some blouses too. Yes. Okay. And now we have this kind of cord set, something in velvet, something in winter wear if you need. We have got sweaters. We have got this kind of winter t-shirts. We have got bottom wear at flat 500 price, and these are some printed shirts if you need at flat price of 500 rupees. We have got clutches, pouches, something in tote bags. We have got this kind of potlies as well.
200 to 300.
So if you need any Indo-Western or something in 2-piece or 3-piece set for this wedding season, we have got beautiful collection. Look at something yellow and some purple color. We have got more options available here in Indo-Westerns. You need. We have got some routine wear as well, something in cotton, something with mirror work, thread work. And now moving to the jewelry where you will find some beautiful chokers, something in dual tone, something in ear cuffs, very beautiful. We have got Kashmiri jewelry as well, and you can see the collection of earrings, very lightweight. So this is something beautiful for any function of your wedding.
बैरोमोडा के 1 पीस है जो फ्लैट 70% डिस्काउंट है. दैट मीन्स आपको 700 800 से स्टार्टिंग बैरोमोडा के ओरिजिनल 1 पीस मिल जाएंगे. 500 में 3 ब्रांडेड टॉप्स हैं, 400 और 500 में ब्रांडेड शॉर्ट्स और जीन्स हैं. और बाकी सब ब्रांड्स पे फ्लैट 70% डिस्काउंट है।
Very beautiful. And these are some beautiful things.
ये ओनली के सारे टॉप्स हैं,
Yes.
क्रॉप टॉप्स सर। ये यहाँ पर पूरा कलेक्शन क्रॉप टॉप का है और सब ये ब्रांडेड ओरिजिनल है फर्स्ट वन।
Wow. And you can see.
हाँ, ये पेपे जीन्स और क्रिम्सन क्लब है।
Yes. Beautiful. And उसकी प्राइस?
ये ऑलमोस्ट 600 से स्टार्ट होता है। इसमें सब में फ्लैट 70% डिस्काउंट है।
Look at this beautiful neck pieces made this wedding season. We have got so much jewelry this time. Something very beautiful in bangles. We have got beautiful neck pieces. And these are the options of earrings. Something of kala bracelets if you need. And now moving to some Indo-Westerns and some kurta sets if you need.
We have 3 sets.
Yes.
Something in Jodhpur work,
एक दिन पहनोगे दूसरे दिन पोटे में पहनो।
something in A-line.
Beautiful.
और एक दिन पहनोगे दूसरे दिन
We have option in Anarkali,
Okay.
and apart from this, there are a lot of Indo-Western wears.
So beautiful. And then we have this large collection of Kashmiri jewelry. Something in Peshwai theme. So we have got something beautiful in Sharara set, something in 3-piece kurta sets, something in yellow for the haldis, something in very beautiful shade of tissue, and we have got multiple options over here. Then we have got some homemade nashtas, perfect if you need some dabeli masala or some chikkis or some ladus. We have got healthy snack options here. And then we do have collection in all of white. Look at this. We have got beautiful off-white floor touch gowns. If you need some dupattas, we have got options. We have got blouses. We have got cord sets. And then we have some festive wear, some wedding wear you need like this. And you can see we have got very beautiful color options available in that. So these are the range.